Welcome to Electrical Stuff. This is a channel where you can learn the electrical knowledge in building sector. To enhance knowledge, to enhance our skills, we need to keep update ourselves. For this reason, I want to start a new series. This is called Electrical Quiz for MEP Professionals. Test your skills. So each Friday I am posting 10 questions. So go through those questions and share your answers on comment section. On Sunday morning, I am going to post answers for these questions. So watch the video till the end and test your skills. Let's start our video. First question is, a minimum watt for light and fans shall be considered for each normal lighting and fan point if the light fixtures are not selected at the design stage. Your answer is 50 watts, 100 watts, 150 watts, 200 watts. Select your answer. Second question, if your MDB rated more than 200 ampere, what type of indicating instruments required? Your answer shall be a voltmeter with RYB off selector switch, ammeter with CTs, maximum demand indicator, PF meter, indicating lamps and associated protective device, and D, all of the above. Type your answer here. Question number 3. Which appliances shall be installed with individual capacitors? Normal lights, emergency lights, air conditioning units, plants, equipment, machine, motor, lights, etc. and fans. Select your answer here. Question number 4. Can we install water heaters, sauna switches in ring circuit of normal power socket outlets? Yes or no? Select your answer here. Question number 5. Horizontal spacing between MV cables. 100, 150, 200, 250. Select your answer here. Question number 6. Where to use weatherproof IP55 switches? Toilet areas, guest rooms, plant rooms, outdoor installations. Select your answer here. Question number 7. Horizontal spacing between MV cables. 100, 150, 200, 250. Select your answer here. Question number 8. What is single room substation? Transformer and MV switchgear is same room. MDB transformer in same room. RMU and transformer in same room. RMU transformer in different room. Select your answer here. Question number 9. Cable trays installed in outdoor locations wherein the cables are exposed to the sun shall be provided with the sunshade covers secured to the trays with adequate ventilation. Your answer yes or no. Type here your answer. Question number 10. Exterior lighting power density for walkways. Select your answer. Walkways less than 3 meters wide, 3.3 watt meter per linear meter. Walkways 3 meters wide or greater, 2.2 watt per meter square. Walkways 3 meter wide or greater, 3.3 watt per meter square. D, A and B. Select your answer here. That's the video. Your answers are posted on Sunday. So stay tuned to the